Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. So this time I'm finally going to attempt to upgrade to Omni Android 13. The reason I didn't upgrade for like a year now is because the first Omni Android 13 didn't work with my phone. Well, the camera didn't work anyway, because you know the way I have the Ultimate Edition with the 1 TB of storage. So for some reason the camera didn't work on that one, but apparently it's fixed now, so I'm gonna give it another try here. And so this is just going to be me showing you guys like how I update it and stuff like that. So if for some reason you're still on Omni 12, you might as well upgrade like. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to back up everything. This is because Omni 13 has different vendor and stuff like that, so you can't just upgrade from Omni 12. You need to format your storage and everything, so that's why you just back up everything you possibly can. And so once you did that, there's a couple of things that we need to do inside the system settings. So, oh yeah, let me just move this. Yeah, let's do it like this actually. Yeah, there we go. So here you'll see what you call it, like the actual phone or whatever on this side of the screen, and then here is the actual real phone, so you can see the differences, because when we're like flashing stuff or whatever, ADB won't be working. So yeah. So anyway, now that we're here, what we want to go into is security, and then ignore all the errors. And for the screen lock, the fucking this thing, what you want to do is you want to remove it. So I'm just gonna pause the video while I'm typing in my password. Alright, so hopefully that video actually paused and you guys didn't see my password, but whatever. So next you want to select none, and it's gonna say, oh, your stuff is gonna be lost and stuff like that, so just set delete. So now we have nothing. Next, what you want to do is you want to head over to your passwords and accounts, and you want to remove every single account here. So I'm gonna pause the video again. Okay, so I removed most of the accounts there. Just make sure you remove all the kind of Google ones. For some reason I cannot remove my bank account, but whatever. That's fine, that doesn't matter. And so once you did that, you'll need to gather some files. So first of all, you'll need to gather the Omni file. You can get this from the Telegram group. Let me just fire it up here. Yeah, so from the Telegram group, go into here, tm.me, Omni, blah, blah, blah. And then just scroll up where you find the link. Or just type in this note here, so official, blah, blah, blah. You'll get redirected to this site here. And then when you're here, scroll all the way down until you see the zip, and that is this file here. Next, we'll be using TWRP. So go into the TWRP website, devices. So it's twrp.me, devices. Look for Asus, and then look for Asus Rog Phone 2. And then, yeah, so these files here. Oh, wrong one, my bad. Scroll down, go into the download links, and then you'll need the latest one, which is here. This one. Yeah, so we only need the image one because we can install it from the image. Yeah, you'll see what I mean. But we only need the image basically. So just download that right here. Now next thing you'll need is Magisk. So just search for Magisk. And then it should be the GitHub site. Do not download this. This is a very good virus. We don't want that. So go into the GitHub one. I have 26.1. See which is the latest one here. Yeah, so 26.1 is the latest one. So yeah, just download this one. That'll be an APK. Now, next thing, what you'll need is the Asus official firmware. So you get that by just search something like Asus Rog Phone 2 support. And you should arrive somewhere, I guess here. Go into BIOS and firmware. And then this is the latest one here. So it's 202.15. And yeah, that's the one I have, I think. Say 18, 0210, 2201, 215. And then a bunch of zero and a bunch of ones for some reason. But yeah, just download this one like so. This is the last like possible thing we can have for our phones, which is kind of sad, but that is how it is. So yeah, once you downloaded all of these 4 files, we are good to go. I'm just gonna close everything here. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to reboot to the what you call it, to the backend bootloader. So what you want to do is you want to type in adb exe. See, you can run the exes on Linux, baby. Just joking, this is just an alias, but on Windows you type adb.exe. I know you boys are fucking Windows lovers, so that's why this should be fucking familiar to you. And then you want to reboot to bootloader. Like so. And so yeah, this will die, so I'm just gonna stop it from spamming. All right, so now once you're here, what we want to do is we want to boot into this TWRP. So what we do is fast boot. Jesus, fast boot TWRP. Like so. We do not flash boot. I've seen so many boys flash boot. You do not flash boot. That is how you break your phone. It's just boot. Yeah, so the phone just reboots automatically. So don't touch it. So once we're here, it might take a while because it's gonna try to decrypt, but we don't care about that since we're formatting everything anyway. Yeah, all right. So here, I'm just gonna allow modifications like so. And what we're gonna do is, okay, so we can actually read the storage. Very cool. But anyway, we don't care about that. What we care about is going into wipe. Then we're gonna do a factory reset, like so. Then we're gonna go back. We're gonna go to format data, type yes. And this is gonna clear everything from your phone. Great. Now back, then for advanced wipe, we shouldn't need to wipe anything here, so we can just leave it as is. Yeah, so now what we want to do is we want to flash the stock ROM. So go into install, and your phone should be able to mount. So open a new tab, like here, ROMs, and then copy over the stock ROM. Wait, where the hell am I? Alright, that was a different folder. Don't worry about that. So copy over the stock ROM into here. Okay, so there yours are curved, so we cannot copy it directly, which is sad. I was hoping that we could, but we can't. So go into advanced, ADB sideload, start, god damn it man, start ADB sideload. There we go. So anyway, now we can do something like this. ADB devices. Okay, so we're getting permission denied, which is a pain in the ass. So if this is happening, fuck's sake, we can try rebooting to bootloader. Then we're gonna boot the image again. Yeah, so here I was trying to like sideload this fucking thing, but yeah, great, fucking fantastic. All right, allow this shit. Let's see if we can mount it again. Okay, so let's see if we can copy it in. Okay, so this time we can't copy it. Okay, great. I think anyway. Maybe not, I don't know. Let's see, going to install, is there anything copying here? No, it doesn't look like it. God damn it, man. Alright, just stop that crap. Go into here. Let's try ADB sideload again, like it should work. So let's see, ADB devices. God damn it, no permissions again, fuck's sake. Okay, so fucking thing. Let's see. Now there might be some settings here. Let's try disabling MTP, then enabling it again. Can I create anything here? Yeah, I cannot create anything here. Fuck's sake, man. Fuck this fucking thing. Let's mount, let's see, let's mount everything. Why not? Okay. Let me just close out of that. Can I create anything here? No, still cannot do it. Okay, that's fucking pain in the fucking ass. Okay. Let's see, what can we do? What the fuck can we do? Yes, we can't ADB, or maybe we can. I wonder. Because, oh yeah, my bad. Fuck's sake, I completely forgot. So yeah, we don't need that shit at all. We can just push it. So ADB XC push, and then we're gonna push the stock ROM, so UL fucking thing, and we're gonna push it to SD card like so. Yeah, there we go. So now it should be visible here, which is what we want. I'm gonna unmount this because just in case something fucks up. So in here, what we want to do is we want to swipe and flash. And then after this, you see the way it says here, we are on slot A. What we want to do is we want to change to slot B after. So I think I did that some time ago. Let's see if it's fast boot slot B or something. Set, yeah, there we go. So set active slot B. So that's the command that we'll want to do after this is done. And since this is going to take quite a long time, I am going to pause the video and come back when it's done. Now that the flash is done, we're gonna wipe the devlik, and then we're gonna go back here. Where's the fucking thing? Reboot. So, what the fuck? Do you change automatically? Where's the history? Okay, there it is. Ah, I see, it flashed to inactive slot A, okay. So we actually need to change to slot A after this, so. Reboot, bootloader. Yeah, because we're on B currently, so we need to change to slot A. So that's fine. So here, I made the save. So this will be slot A. We don't need sudo anymore. Great. And so now we can boot back to the TWRP because we need to flash stock ROM twice, just to be sure. Meeting an apple, by the way, if you're wondering. The flash took so long that I got hungry. Right, let's see if this still... Okay, so this thing is now mounted. So we're gonna push it again. Hopefully it works. And it does, that's great. Okay, great. So now we're just gonna check if we're... Yeah, so we're in slot A, so that's good. And then just gonna flash this as well. And then after this, it'll be the same procedure for the Omni one, but it should go a little bit faster since it's only 1.3 gigs instead of 2.5 gigs. So while this is running, I'm just gonna pause the video again. Alright, so that's done now. So we're gonna wipe the cache for good luck. Then go back, reboot, and we're gonna reboot to the bootloader once again. And boot back into TWRP. this time we're gonna do ADVXC push, and we're gonna push Omni. Oh yeah, SD card, and don't forget that one. All right, so flash that one, and this should go a good bit quicker. So here we're flashing to inactive slot A. So we're gonna need to do the same thing that we did before with this. So that it pushes to inactive slot B next time. After this done. This shouldn't take as long, but just gonna pause the video anyway. Alright, so we flash it again. Wipe Davlik for good luck. Then get out of here. Reboot. Back into the bootloader. Do A. And then boot into the TWRP. And you don't have to flash Omni twice, by the way. I just like to do it just in case. Alright, then we'll push this again once TWRP loads up nicely. Alright, push it away. And then Magisk will flash after Omni boots up, you know? Just in case, like, just in case Magisk messes something up. Alright, that didn't take too long. So come here, flash it nicely. And while this is running, I'm just gonna pause the video once again. Alright, so now that's done, we're gonna wipe Davlik cache for good luck one last time. Gonna go back, wipe, reset for good luck again. And then, if all goes well, we should be able to reboot into Omni nicely. And hopefully the camera will work as well. So the first boot will probably take like a minute or two. Well, more than a minute or two, I mean. It'll take a while, but it should be done. Like, if it still doesn't boot after, say, 10 minutes or something like that, then you have some problem, but I don't think that'll be the case here, since, like, I did this before, when Omni 13 initially just came out, but, like I said, the camera didn't work, so I just went back to Omni 12, and have been on there for like a year now. So yeah, hopefully camera works fine this time around. Alright, so it looks like it booted up nicely. Jesus, you can't see shit. Let's see if this thing works yet. Okay, so I need to get through this nice and quickly. I'm not gonna bother setting up a Wi-Fi network. Gonna get rid of all this garbage. Gonna skip this garbage. Alright, so now, does it work now? Okay, I'm just gonna quickly enable debugging. USB debugging system. Fuck, where was it? Here's an about device, build number, great. Now we should have system developer options. Where the feck is debugging? There it is, great. Shut up. Allow. Now, oh fuck. I did not mean to reboot the fucking thing. Scripts, Android, Jesus. Android screen view. Does it work? Oh, there we go. Alright, so moment of truth. Does the fucking camera work? Don't allow this shit. No way, it actually fucking works. Nice, 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 nice. Let's see if the front camera works as well. It does. Fucking beautiful, beautiful. Nice job, Mickey. Nice job. So yeah, the ROM is like fully fucking functional now. That's class. So anyway, I'm gonna, oh yeah, I do have 4G, so that's why it has internet. I was wondering how the fuck does it have internet, but yeah, it has 5G or 4G. This phone does not have 5G chips. So yeah, let's go into system update. Let's see if there's any update. No updates download. And so yeah, that's all good. ROM is fucking working nicely. What the fuck is going on here? Alright, it's just updating some bullshit. So I'm gonna play around with it. I don't think I'll make another video of it. Because like it's kind of the same, you know, customizations and everything. So if I find something cool, I'll make another video of it. But until then, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.